Welcome back to my video. In this video, I'm going to explain about uh, the project called prototyping. So it was an assignment um, where we have previously finished our layout and navigation route assignment. Now we will make a prototype. So first, I'm going to show you. Here it is. This is the the prototype that I made or app that I make is for listing anime that you watch. So I have four tabs here. There's home. There's the search page or discover page. There's the news page, and here is the my list page where you can list the anime you watch. So first is from the homepage here. Okay, before the homepage, gonna explain the dependencies. Here is the dependencies that I use. The default Cupertino icons, carousel slider. I use carousel slider. HTTP, Flutter, SVG, SKLite, SKF Path, Path Provider, Flutter Slidable, Google Navbar, and Google Fonts. And here is the asset image. Okay, first we go to the main door. Here, the main door, we have all the imported packages already. So in the first function, we have the roots. This is the roots for the page, for the home page. Uh, I will explain it later. So basically, this is the routes to navigate the page. Okay, next is this is the how this the screens. So the screens people I said the home screen, discover, the news, and the list screen. Here is the title, and this is for the drawer. Code for the drawer. Here explain the this is for the close the drawer first. If like navigate and close drawer. If the drawer is open, then close the drawer first. Here is the drawer. So up here we have this the user account drawer head. Here's my name, and there's the circular avatar where I put the image already, and each this drawer will navigate to our home, the discover page or screen, the new screen, and the my list screen. Okay, so there's all the code for the drawer. Okay, and this is for the bottom navigator bar. For the bottom navigator, I use a Google Navigator bar. Here, the color for coloring the background of the navigator bar. And you can see I set the color gray if it's not active, and active color is white. See? Mm. So I have four icons. They're the home icon, the discover or search icon, the newspaper. I use newspaper for the news icon, and the list icon for the my list. here, so it can move to each screen from the select index from the previous here. Where is it? This. So when you tap on it, it changes to another screen. Okay, now that's the main dart. Next is the home page, the home page dart. Here, uh, in this main body, I have use list view. Oh yeah, before that in the app bar, there's the title, and here where I use the Google font, I use Poppins. And here in the list view, so I can scroll down, I use the axis vertical. Um, then in here for the what is called, I wrap it on a row. So there's I use for every image I use a gesture detector. So when I click on it, I go to a different screen. There's where the root comes here. I have six screens, so I have six roots here. Every screen here can scroll, and the screen I have the picture, the image of the anime, the title, and the description here. So I can achieve this. I set it on a container with the height, so every picture is the same height. Uh, and the width too. And yeah, we use media query, and then for the decoration, I use really you can't really see the background, but I there's a background gray, uh, a gray color, and then the image asset, the i- the the image of the address for every images is the same with every image. I There's a spacer between the first and the second, the right, left, and right image. I use a spacer so it space evenly. And for the top and bottom, I use a side box with a height of 25. I think that's all that I can explain for the homepage. So next week we'll go to the discover page. So for the discover page, um, there's I use a carousel slider, the carousel slider plugin. Here, for I have three carousel slider. There's an fantasy genre, romance genre, and action genre. Here is the list string for every carousel. I have three, so there's three image lists. Here next is this for the title, same with the previous title. And I use single scroll child scroll view too, so I can scroll. Now for this title here, before the title, I made a search bar. You can type here, right? But you can't really search anything for now. It's for UI. Okay, I made a search bar, and below that there's the title. First is the fantasy genre, so fantasy for the title, and then there's this carousel slider for the code. I take the code from the Flutter website. So I use the Flutter code from the Flutter website and uh, edit it according uh, to my app. Here it is. If you want to make a carousel slider, you can go to the website. And it's the same with all of my other carousel slider, and it's separated by a size box of height 25. And that's all for the discover page. And now we go to the news screen. So for the news screen, uh, we done this previously in our classroom. So it's the same. I think the same for every student. Here, for this new screen, here it is. So uh, use you for show this, we have the TO or model is the news model. So we have three strings: ID, title, and body, and use the factory ID, title, and body. And next we have to make an endpoint. The endpoint where we got the information in the news. Here is the URL for the API. So for this new screen, we done this in class. So here all this explained by my lecture. The only thing that I changed is for the app bar. I changed the background color. Inside that is the same. And the last one is the my list, where we make a CR CRUD for, so we can make this. We have to have this model first, and then this DB helper and the screen for the DTO or model. Eh, sorry. Here I have two. There's in the class there's two. There's ID and title. So where it's in a map. So there's this the model for the anime. For the my list, there's anime dart, and there the DB helper. All this code is I um, got it from my lecturer, so it's I think it's similar to his one. So how it works is when you can add maybe ponyo. See, save, and you can edit. How we can edit is by sliding it to the right. Can edit ponyo. And oops, and you can delete. If you make a mistake, you can just delete it again. That's for the CRUD or my list. I think that's all from me. That's all from my app. Thank you for watching, and I will link my GitHub in the description below. And that's it. Thank you.